Welcome to our informative guide on managing visual reflux. If you're among those who experience discomfort from visual reflux, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing 5 practical guidelines to help alleviate your symptoms and improve your eye health. Let's dive into our first tip: proper lighting. Ensuring that you have adequate lighting while reading or working can significantly reduce strain on your eyes. Aim for natural light or use a soft lamp to create a comfortable visual environment. Our second guideline focuses on screen time management. Prolonged exposure to screens can exacerbate visual reflux. Try to follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break to look at something 20 feet away. Moving on to our third piece of advice: eye exercises. Regularly practicing eye exercises can strengthen your eye muscles and help mitigate reflux symptoms. Simple routines like focusing on a distant object can be very effective. Next, we emphasize the importance of hydration and nutrition. Keeping your body well hydrated and consuming foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as omega-3 fatty acids, can support overall eye health and reduce visual discomfort. Finally, our fifth guideline is about regular eye checkups. Visiting an eye care professional regularly ensures that any underlying issues are addressed promptly, providing you with tailored advice and solutions. By incorporating these guidelines into your daily routine, you can take control of your visual health and alleviate the discomfort associated with visual reflux. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements. Thank you for watching, and here's to clearer, more comfortable vision.
We thank you for watching our video, and do not forget to smash subscribe and like our channel in order not to miss future videos. Your health is your greatest wealth.